Ladies and gentlemen, this is the F and G Show.
The F and G Show.
Over and
Blast the line.
The F and G Show.
Well, today, keeping in trend, doing these Black History facts.
Yes.
And if you don't believe us, look it up yourself
Mm-hmm.
and comment and then tell us, you a lie. But I'm sure y'all ain't going to do that.
No, because the truth is out there.
And as they used to say, it will set you free.
It sure will.
Hey, today we're going to talk about these slaves that built America's most successful black men. So let's see what we got going on here. We got the two black men.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's see if they made any money like we did.
I'm sure they made more.
22 years after the Civil War ended, two formerly enslaved men did something that should have been impossible in Jim Crow, Mississippi.
What?
Isaiah Montgomery and Benjamin Green bought 840 acres of dense swampland and built America's most successful all-black town. Here's the remarkable part. Montgomery and Green had been enslaved by Joseph Davis, the older brother of Confederate President Jefferson Davis. After emancipation, Montgomery's family actually purchased Jefferson Davis's own plantation for $300,000, becoming the third largest cotton producers in Mississippi. But when cotton prices collapsed and floods devastated their crops, they lost everything. So in 1887, these two men took their last $420 and bought swampland in the Mississippi Delta.
What?
$7 an acre for land covered in dense hardwood forest that had to be cleared by hand. They named it Mound Bayou, strategically placing it along the railroad line that would bring prosperity. What they built defied every assumption about what black Americans could achieve in the Jim Crow South.
Wow.
By 1900, Mound Bayou was a thriving community of black-owned farms and businesses. By 1911, 8,000 people called it home.
Wow.
40 businesses, banks, schools, libraries, cotton gins, sawmills, a post office, and a train station. The town became so remarkable that President Theodore Roosevelt made a special stop there in 1908, proclaiming it an object lesson full of hope for the colored people. Booker T. Washington championed it as proof of black potential. Residents proudly called it the Jewel of the Delta. During the Civil Rights era, Mound Bayou became a crucial safe haven. Dr. T.R.M. Howard's Taborian Hospital was one of the few medical facilities in Mississippi that treated African American patients. Dr. Howard's home sheltered civil rights workers, including those investigating Emmett Till's murder. Today, Mound Bayou still stands, 98% African American, a living testament to what formerly enslaved people built when given the chance to dream for themselves. From Jefferson Davis's plantation to the pinnacle of black self-determination, this is the story textbooks forgot to tell. Think you know every hidden chapter of black history? Follow for the untold stories that will completely rewrite what you thought you knew about America.
Now that's amazing.
Wow.
That is totally, absolutely what Mr. Spock would say, fascinating. Definitely fascinating. These two guys
And
did
Mr.
it.
Spock was a Vulcan.
It sure was fascinating. That was fascinating. These two guys did it. They did it.
Yes.
They worked it and they did it. And Mount Bayou, people, I've heard people that say that's where they from Mount Bayou, Mississippi.
Never knew, but hey, we right next door. We right next door in Alabama.
Mm-hmm.
We need to go ahead and make a trip, man. When it warm up a little bit.
Go to Mount Bayou and hang out and
see what they got going there.
Yep. Take our guns with us just in case,
In case y'all put us to work and not pay us. But yeah, it's crazy though, man. Because again, this is another video here we watched about two guys. That's only two guys that did all that.
Did
Went
all
back,
of that.
Bought the family, plantation house and did all that
Bought
stuff.
Jefferson Davis's plantation.
And we have more African American rich folks today. Said they could do a whole lot more. I mean, it's their money to do what they want to do, but it seems like we should have more of these modern day stories. I mean,
Yeah,
we have all these historical stuff, but if you did something yesterday, it's history.
Right.
You did something last year, it's
Right,
history.
right.
So how come we don't have those modern day
Stories.
yeah, celebrities saying that they did this last year. You know, I'm not talking about stuff like Oprah paying for girls to go to college and stuff like that. I'm talking about establishing stuff for everybody to benefit from.
To benefit from, yes.
Education is great, but if you build a house of entertainment or education, a museum or something like that, everybody from all around the world and the states could come and check it out and learn things.
Yep.
So that's just me. I mean,
And the more we put these things out and the more people learn about what we have invented, I think that will help eliminate probably not much. I don't have much hope in that. Probably will eliminate most of the racism in the world, but you know, some people want to hold on to it. But the more we put these out, the more we share, the more we tell you, we probably invented that. We probably invented that. We probably invented that. There's nothing you gonna be able to say to stop it because we probably invented that. The chair you sit in, we probably invented that.
Or if we didn't invent the chair, we invented that cushion you sitting on.
That's right, because it was wood first. It was wood chairs, and now you got the cushion.
Yeah, we made it more comfortable for you.
And we didn't share this, but I happen to know this.
Uh-oh, here we go, folks. Here we go.
Henry Ford did not invent the first car. We did. It was a black man, but
what was his name?
I can't remember
Come
his
on, man. What's his
name.
name?
I can't remember his name.
You just open the door now. You gotta put your foot in there.
I'm gonna have to come back and tell y'all who he is. I can't because I can't remember his name. And I'm sure it's on Insta. I'm sure it's on YouTube. He invented the first car.
Y'all weren't even thinking about that, were you? Until he said it.
Yeah,
and
he
now you're
invented
like,
the first
who is
car.
it? And then he came and answered.
It wasn't Henry Ford. This guy had the cars long before Henry Ford. And what happened to him? He went out of business because the other car companies sabotaged their ability to continue to make cars, and he had to quit. And as a result, history shows Henry Ford got all the credit, but he was not the first one to invent a car. Sorry, y'all. We did that first. Sorry, had to take that from you.
Even though he drives a Ford.
I don't drive no Ford.
I'm just kidding.
Ford, F-R-O-D, found on the road dead.
Oh man.
Or fix or repair daily.
Yeah, I heard that one. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna get on up out of here. We will let you all see us next time. So go ahead and subscribe.
Yes, like
the videos.
share.
Yeah, please comment. Comment, man. Just blow us up with the comments, man. Whether you like it, don't like it. Tell us what you
I
think.
will respond to you if you comment.
Yes. Tell your friends about us.
Yes.
Share. Share, be like, look at these two dummies out here. That one guy with the gray beard, though, he's a good guy. But that other one that be making up stuff, tell your friends about it. This is the F&G Show.
The F&G Show.
Over
a glass of wine.
G Show.